Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota, located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this 2019 Toyota Sienna XLE. Now the most notable features on this XLE is its heated front seats. You have your power moonroof along with your navigation system. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle just to get you better familiar with this 2019 Toyota Sienna XLE all-wheel drive. Let's get started. Now, a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this XLE is its daytime running lights. You also have your fog lights. And then if we take a closer look just over on the side, you do have the 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels. You also have your foldable mirrors as well as your heated mirrors. And then on the inside of the mirror, you're going to find your blind spot monitoring indicator. Now with that indicator, it'll actually light up, just alerting you that there is another vehicle right beside you. Closing in on the rear cargo space, or second row I should say, you have second row captain seats, sunshade visors located in the second and third row windows. You'll find the close button just located down below here. You just have to push on the button once and it will close for you automatically. Now parents, if you're worried about your kids, possibly yourself, getting your arm or hand jammed to the door, it does have the jam protection feature. So in the event that the door does sense there's an obstruction in the way, it'll open itself back up automatically. Pulling the handle once more and it will close for you automatically, and the color we're going to be taking a look at today is gray. Now, taking a look at the front dash as well as the front seats, as you can see, you do have your gray interior. Power driver's seat with lumbar support. Traction control on and off. Parking sensors on and off. Well, I should say rear parking sensors. Mirror controls, window locks, power locks, and window controls. Now, a couple of the controls you'll see here on the steering wheel include your volume control, seek function, mode select, Bluetooth connectivity, voice recognition, cruise control, lane departure alert, and it does come equipped with the push button start. So all you have to do is put your foot on the brake, hit the push button, and it will start up for you automatically. Now, taking a look at the multi-informational display, you'll see a couple of different features on here. So you have a digital speedometer with a distance to empty, fuel economy, all-wheel drive, and then you can also go through and take a look at your compass, audio, lane departure alert, messages, and settings menu. So you have your ECT power, blind spot monitoring on and off, rear cross traffic alert, pre-collision system, lane departure alert, and a couple of other additional features as well. Taking a look at the center dash area, if you go inside the main menu controls, you'll find your destination audio phone as well as a couple of other additional features. Now, with the apps menu, it's part of the Entune app suite, so as long as you have it on your phone, you can use such apps as the Slacker app, which allows you to stream your music from your phone onto the touch panel display. You can also check on local fuel prices or on the latest sports scores, just depending on what your preferences are. Comes with the Sirius XM satellite radio, dual zone climate control settings, and the rear temperature controls located down below. As you can see, you have your heated seat controls for your driver and passenger with your USB and auxiliary input with the power outlet. And you'll have an additional one located down below. Taking a look up top, you have your auto-dimming rear view mirror with the integrated garage door opener controls. Open and close for the power sliding rear doors, power lift gate, SOS Connect, and your sunglass case holder. And then taking a look at the backup camera. As you can see, you have those nice guiding lines in there, making things much easier for you when you're backing into a stall. And you can change up the backup camera view to a more dynamic view, or the traditional backup camera view you're used to. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your tailgate. Now located on your rear bumper, you're going to find your parking sensors located right across. On the back of the tailgate, you also have your backup camera on the left-hand side and the rear hatch release located in the center. Closing in on the rear cargo space, you have a 60-40 split for the third row, so in the event that you need more additional passengers, it's available to you, but if you need more additional occupants, or I should say cargo space, then it's available for you also. You have some storage space located on the left-hand side if you do need to actually have both seats actually folded up. Then second row captain seats over on the right-hand side, you'll find the power outlet. And then when you're all finished up, just push on the back of the tailgate once, and it will close for you automatically. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions, please visit us. We're located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Phone number is 780-410-2455, or please visit our website at sptoyota.com to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.